Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hoshangabad location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for sales officer position from Cholamandalam Home Loans. This position is for affordable housing loans and small ticket size loan against property. For this position, you must have the background of home loans and loan against property, and local candidates will be preferred, and there will be a fixed salary and incentives will be there. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for operations executive position for the products of home loan and loan against property, and it is from India Shelter Finance Corporation Limited, and it is a front desk work. For this position, fresher candidates also can apply, and also you should have minimum 1 to 3 years of experience of home loans, loan against property and secure business loan, and the salary will be based on your experience. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is an opening for operations profile from India Shelter Finance Corporation Limited. For this position, you must have done your graduation or 12th minimum pass will be preferred, and also you must be well versed with MS Office and MS Excel, and you must have 1 year of experience in operations in home loan or loan against property or mortgages, and the salary will be as per company norms. If you are eligible for this job profile, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, AU Small Finance Bank is hiring candidates for the sales manager and sales officer positions for home loan vertical. For the position of a sales officer, you must have 1 to 2 years of work experience of home loans or mortgages. For the sales manager position, you must have 3 to 4 years of home loan experience. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for branch sales manager position from Roha Housing Finance. For this position, you should have 4 to 5 years of home loans work experience, and you must be from NBFC or HFC sector, and you must have team handling experience, and you are going to getting a salary up to 5 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for district sales manager position for the FMCG industry. For this position, you must have 4 years plus work experience, and you must have excellent communication skills, team handling skills, and ability to travel to different locations. And you are going to getting a salary up to 35 to 40,000 per month and huge incentives. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for district sales manager position from Hierarch, and it is a FMCG industry. For this position, you must have minimum 5 years of experience in FMCG. From commodity will be preferred. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for cluster credit manager position from Fullerton India Credit Company Limited. For this position, you must have done your graduation or MBA in finance, and also you should have 6 to 7 years of work experience in the same field, and the salary will be as per industry norms. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys.
If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.